Hi everyone, today we are going to study the system view of an operating system. Now from the system's point of view or from the computer's point of view, operating system is the program most intimately involved with the hardware. So operating system is basically that particular program that is coordinating or involved with the hardware of the system. Now we can view the operating system as a resource allocator. What is the primary job of any operating system in any computer system? It is to allocate resources to various users which will be using the same system. So how and when to allocate resources to each application program that is running on the computer system is the job of the operating system. Now, a computer system has many resources. You know, there are so many resources that a computer system has, like your CPU time, the central processing unit time, basically how much time any application program can utilize of a CPU, provided that there is a single CPU and there are so many application programs that are running in the background. So of course all of them need their own processing time. They need the processor for the processing required for those applications. So with the CPU time, that means the time that will be allocated to each and every application program, that is a very important resource of the computer system. Then the memory space, you know, memory is limited and expensive, and each and every application program that is having access to the CPU, that means that is being processed currently, requires the memory to reside. Then there is a file storage space for the various for the storage of the files associated with the application programs. IO devices, like the basic IO devices, you know, like the keyboard, the mouse, the printer. So these are also the resources of the computer system, and so on. So when I say that an operating system is a resource allocator, that means the operating system is seeing that all of these resources that we just discussed are being allocated in a fair manner, in a proper manner to each and every application program that is sharing the computer system, because each and every application program requires to solve a problem, and to solve that problem it will require access to all of these resources of the computer system that we have just discussed. Now facing numerous and possibly conflicting requests for resources. Of course, as I told you, there are so many application programs that are running simultaneously, and each and every application program to solve a problem requires one or the other resource at any given point of time. That means there are numerous requests for resources. There's not just one request from one application program, but there are numerous requests from numerous application programs first of all, and of course they could possibly be conflicting requests. Conflicting in the sense that more than one application program may be demanding the same resource at the same time. So the operating system is very important here, because the operating system is the one that is deciding how to allocate them. Say 2 or 3 application programs at the same time demand the CPU time, or they demand the memory at the same time. So now the operating system will decide how it will allocate that particular resource to the specific program and users. Of course, the application programs belong to certain users, so that it can operate the computer system efficiently and fairly, because only when resources are allocated in a fair manner and efficient manner, then only you can expect the computer system to work efficiently and fairly. Now the resource allocation is especially important, right, because it's all about resources. You get proper allocation of resources, so the application program runs and executes and performs the intended task. So you can say that resource allocation is a especially important task where many users access the same system. As I said, if there is an exclusive access to a computer system, then there is no question of resource allocation. There is no question of conflicting resources. But when there are multiple application programs that are simultaneously accessing the same computer system, that means they will demand or they will access the same resources also, and the demand for those resources may come at the same time from several application programs. So managing the resources then, that is deciding which application program is going to get which resource at what particular point of time, or which application program should be prioritized. Say for example, there are 3 application programs that are demanding the CPU time. Now depending upon certain factors like the priority or how critical the application program is, operating system then decides which particular application program will be provided with the CPU time, and so on. So basically the resource management, resource allocation is all taken care by the operating system. Therefore, we can say that an operating system is a control program, as it is controlling the access of resources by various application programs. A control program manages the execution of user programs. We know it is managing the execution of all the user programs, which are our application programs, and how it is managing them by managing or by controlling which application program will have access to which particular resource at what point of time, so that it can prevent errors and improper use of computer.